Yeah, hey everyone. I just wanted to make this quick video to describe how you can potentially resolve this error that you might get while making a SQL Server connection using the jTDS driver. The error states caused by I/O error, DB server closed connection. Two possible causes of this that we see frequently are that NTLM v1 has been disabled on the server side, or SSL has been set to required. Neither of these things are supported by the jTDS 1.2 driver. However, they are supported by jTDS 1.3.1. So the first thing you'll need to do is go to SourceForge's website and download jTDS 1.3.1. You will then need to upload it to your Atomsphere account and then create a custom connector library. I'm not going to go through all the details on that. You should be able to find that in another video. But we're going to go ahead and create that for the database connector. Create a packaged component. Production environment. Okay. All right. After doing that, the next thing you will need to do is navigate to the Boomi home directory and then go to the work directory, connector, and then select the database connector. You're going to want to open up that zip file and then the lib folder within. And then where you see jTDS -1.2 .jar, you're going to want to rename this jTDS -1.2.jar.xxx. This will just disable the old jar so that it's not used. Okay. This video is getting a little long, so we'll pick it up in another video to show you how to set up the connection component from here. Thank you.